In this video, we are going to talk about top tips for staying fit during the holidays. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. During the Christmas season, the already arduous challenge of making time for fitness becomes even more difficult. From Thanksgiving through Christmas and New Year's, it is very tempting to overindulge in holiday treats and forget your fitness goals. By the time the new year rolls around, many of us feel fat and out of shape. It doesn't have to be like that. There are several simple things you can do to maintain your health at this time of year and yet enjoy the holiday pleasure. We're smack dab in the heart of the holiday eating and drinking season. Food and celebrations will be plenty, so don't rush in blindly. It is completely possible to still enjoy nice meals and mingle your way through the holidays without accumulating undesirable weight. Here are the top tips for staying fit during the holidays. So let's start. Number 10. Portion control. If you have a choice between two plates, choose the smaller one and load it with nutritious options. It will appear that you are eating more when, in fact, you are eating significantly less. In this instance, little is more. Number 9. Stay hydrated. If you find yourself growing hungry but would prefer to keep your calorie intake at its current level, simply sip water to satisfy your hunger. Water both satisfies your hunger and revs up your metabolism. This is a no-brainer in my opinion. Number 8. Be the life of the party. This doesn't imply doing keg stands with the host. Alcohol is a diet killer, so choose your beverage cautiously. My favorite is a beautiful glass of champagne at 80 calories a glass. You can still have fun without getting inebriated. It's been demonstrated. If your mouth is busy socializing, it's less likely to be in the corner overeating. If there's a dance floor, get out there and burn some extra calories. Number 7. Fill up on veggie and lean protein. Consider your options and take your time. Make informed decisions. Continue walking if the finger food appears to be laden with cheese. Some things are simply not worth it. If you're going to indulge, make sure it's with something you enjoy. Make the most of your calories. Take a little bite and then move on. Number 6. Schedule time to work out. Let's face it, the holiday season is really hectic. When you schedule time for exercise in your calendar, it's more likely to happen, much like when you book time for a work meeting or holiday shopping. Examine your upcoming week to determine the best times to exercise, such as early in the morning before the day gets away from you. Number 5. Find creative ways to be active. There are other ways to stay active that don't require a traditional workout. When shopping for the holidays, park a little further away from the mall so you have to walk more. Instead of taking the elevator, take the steps. Wrap up warm and go on a walk with your family to admire the lights. Make physical activity a part of your holiday celebrations. Number 4. Squeeze in some activity, it's better than none. Don't avoid exercising because you can't find time to go to the gym. A brief workout is preferable to none at all. Even 10 minutes of physical activity every day should suffice. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a terrific technique to get a good exercise in a short amount of time. Number 3. Work out with a friend. One of the most difficult aspects of committing to fitness is staying motivated, particularly over the winter and during the holidays. When you're alone, it's simple to put something off until later. If you incorporate a friend in your exercise routine, it will be easier for you to stay on track. Take a group fitness class, go for a quick walk, or simply get moving. Number 2. Hydrate and eat sensibly. Eating healthy is an important aspect of staying in shape. You don't have to give up all of your favorite holiday delicacies. Just keep track of your portion sizes. When and where you can, try to sneak in some vegetables. Drink a lot of water, especially if you're drinking alcohol. Before you go to that Christmas party, eat a modest snack so you don't arrive hungry and make poor decisions. Number 1. Set goals. Track your progress and have rewards. Keeping track of your progress has never been easier thanks to technological improvements such as fitness trackers and calorie counters. Setting objectives and challenges, as well as a reward system, will keep you accountable and help you achieve your fitness goals. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.